How do you like my dragon tattoo already? Though sadly it won't stay for too long because I'm gonna take a shower today so I don't stink. Psst. Hopefully it's not a cold shower. Just got out of the shower and somehow the tattoo survived. Oh, how? Well, actually, because I did not even scrub it. I don't know, I just really like it and I want to keep it a little longer. But we all know eventually it's gonna fade, so yeah. This thing has been stuck at uploading for ages now. Come on, I want to go play with Natasha and this won't finish uploading. Don't tell me I gotta re-upload it. Took 130 minutes or whatever. So I am re-uploading yesterday's video. It better work, especially that this time it's longer than the first time. This time it's 175 minutes. That's like how many hours? 1, 2, 3. Probably like 4 hours. Oh my. Why? Last year I started this channel called Daily Life of a Dog. Because back then, I really wanted to do a daily vlog so bad, but at the same time, I felt that my life was not really interesting. So I thought, hey, why not do a daily vlog about my dog's life? Because, you know, his life is interesting. And so I started that channel, and I kept it up, like, daily vlogs of his life for about 2 months. And then afterwards, it just somehow faded away. I started only uploading videos every now and then. Not daily. Right now I barely use that channel at all, but I'm kind of glad that I started it because right now whenever I look back at those videos of my dog, I feel like that was such a long time ago. It's like a treasure of memories. Like seeing all those old times back then when my dog was smaller and all that stuff. So how about we have a look at what I was doing on this very day 1 year ago on Daily Life of a Dog. So right now I'm going out to see my dog. Alright, wait, before we start, there's something wrong. Yeah, that's better. Here's my dog. Skins! Yeah, this thing he's drinking from, it's not really a dog dish, it's actually a toy. This dog that you just saw, she's our neighbor's dog, Little. Yeah, I know, she's not little at all. The third dog you just saw is our neighbor's other dog. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Those three are the trio of dogs we got here. My dog was so freaking small. I mean, he was cute. Right now he's all huge and ugly. Nah, just kidding. My dog is still cute, but he's a little bigger. And those 2 other dogs, I really miss him. They used to be our neighbor's dog back when we lived in another house. I really miss him. Oh, memories.
I learned to walk when I was 1 beneath the Oklahoma sun. And from that day, I started taking my own route. I learned to read when I was 2, and I believed it all was true. Too young to fill my mind with questions and with doubt. I made my first friend when I was 3, but by 4 he moved away so very far from me. At 5 I wondered why people live and people die, and why the things I love just slowly slipped away from me, and only stars remain the same. Cold night, starlight, we are not alone. Cold night, starlight, we are not alone. We're together on our own.
So starting today, I am gonna have in the description of my videos, like my vlogs, a link to what I was doing on Daily Life of a Dog on the same day 1 year ago. So let's say, for example, today, 1 year ago, I have a link of that little like flashback you just saw down there, the full video. Tomorrow I'm gonna have the link in the description of what I was doing on that day 1 year ago, which is like, you know, you get it, like what I was doing 1 year ago, and yeah. Hey, Natasha. Hey, little birdie. Hey. Hi. You're such a cute birdie. You are really, really cute. How about I start a channel called Daily Life of a Bird? Yeah, and it would have the daily life of Natasha in it, like a daily vlog of what she does every day. Well, it's not really that interesting because all she does is eat, sleep, poop.
I learned to walk when I was 1 beneath the Oklahoma.
Yeah! And the same thing is happening again! Stuck at top. I hate this. I hate it. Finally uploaded that thing. Finally! Yes, and right now I'm about to upload the Harlem Shake. Then later on I gotta edit the behind the scenes. Got lots of work to do. Hey dog, remember 1 year ago, on this very day 1 year ago, I started Daily Life of a Dog, and since then I kept on like filming you and everything, having a camera in front of your face while you played and everything. You remember 1 year ago when you used to play with the 2 other dogs, Little and the big huge Alaskan dog? You remember that doggy? You remember, right? You remember? He has no freaking idea. You don't even remember? When I started this 1 year ago, I mean, look at the difference between this huge thing and this dog that was with me 1 year ago. They don't even look like each other. Well, actually, yeah, they do. He's just the younger, this is the bigger version of the younger version. Makes sense. There were fireworks outside here. I know you couldn't see a thing, but I just wanted to show you fireworks, and now when I turned on the camera, they're magically gone.